Today we're looking at the top 9 print-in-place 3D models, and these are all free. Links in the description below if you want to go give them a go yourself, and great work by the original designers on all of these. And we'll start with this baby skeleton dragon. A lot of the print-in-place stuff isn't actual skeletons and usually full animals. This one was just really cool to find. Has full rib cage and all the different bones you would expect, and just is a very cool print-in-place product. Very hard to print though. We've also then got a humpback whale. This one's a little bit different. It's actually two separate parts with the head attaching to the body, but the head is articulated in a few different ways, and it is wonderful to print this, and it looks great. Then we've got a beluga whale. This one's superb, very cute, easy to print, and I really enjoyed making this, and I think it looks brilliant. Then we've got a whale shark. This would probably be amazing, super sized, but at its current size, it looks really good. Moves in all the right ways and just looks superb. Then we've got a sea turtle. Now this one looks superb. However, the underside is a little bit flat, a little bit boring, but it's incredibly easy to print and it really looks good. Moves incredibly well. So I'd highly recommend this one a lot. It is just gorgeous and yeah, perfect. Then we've got ourselves a hammerhead shark. I printed this off a grey and I think it looks absolutely stunning. Very beautiful. Sharks are always absolutely great to do print and play stuff, and hammerhead there, no exception. Then we've got this, which is a sawfish, and it looks incredible. Printed off with two different filament colours, and it really works out incredibly well. So highly recommend that one. Then we have an eel. This is not for beginners because it's not really attached to the print bed too well, so it can definitely fail very easily. But it looks incredible. Not as easy to play with because it can easily fall over, but it looks great nonetheless. And then we have a dolphin. I originally printed it off in white, but then I spray painted it with a silver, and it looks good. Moves in the right directions. Underside not so good, but overall a very good print in place model. And that brings us to the end of this very short video about the top 9 print in place 3D models, and these are all absolutely excellent. Links in the description below if you want to give them all a go, and they're all for free.